Hey! We know more and more people are living in small spaces, which means kids are sharing even smaller bedrooms. So we challenged ourselves to make a fun, comfortable, shared kids' room as small as possible for a 4-year-old and an 8-year-old. The key is to create smart, safe solutions using age-based planning, personal spaces, and adaptable furniture. We started with a loft bed that's up high for the 8-year-old. Below, where it's easier to get in and out, we put an extendable bed for the 4-year-old. Then we added personal storage above and under their beds. Curtains give each kid a private space, and the bottom one detaches easily. The loft bed comes with storage, so we made this a wardrobe corner for the 8-year-old. We filled the corner with hooks at different heights. A step stool helps reach the top rows. A mirror is a must, especially an unbreakable one. The 8-year-old space continues with a spot for schoolwork. The desk adapts to height, too. Kids learn by copying, so we made a similar work and play space for the 4-year-old. There's more play stuff here with a toy box on wheels and a doll's house that doubles as shelves. It's not always fun to share, so we use colors to highlight personal space. Then we added cabinets at adult-only height for storing stuff like seasonal clothes. The 4-year-old needs a wardrobe too, so we put in hooks at low heights and 2 shelving units that we painted for a personal touch. These boxes don't have lids, so they're not tempting to climb. It's a safety thing, just like window catches. That's a lot of smart, fun solutions in one shared kids' room, but we squeezed it down to 6.7 square meters. We had to build it, of course. Come on in, we'll show you how it's shared and personal. Different ages have different needs, so each kid can have important personal time in their cozy retreat. Where they can keep secrets too. And hooks high up keep certain things out of the younger one's reach. But some needs are the same, like proper spots for studying math books or coloring books. They need space to play together too, because they still do. Most of all, they need secure, comfy beds so the whole family sleeps soundly. Ready to find the possibilities in your small space? Use age-based planning, personal spaces, and adaptable furniture to make a safe, fun, shared kids' room for growing up, not apart. Happy playing!